Hello, I'm Patrick Crampton-Thomas, European Sales Director at IndX, and welcome to the next video in our series about SAP Digital Manufacturing for Discrete. Previously, we have seen how to set up DM and how to configure the operator's dashboard in an assembly work center. Of course, in the real world, we want to automate data capture for production processes. So in this session, we'll see how we will integrate work center machines to their digital twin in DM easily using SAP production and cloud connectors. So with that, let me hand over to Kshitij, who will take us through the details and the demonstration. Thanks very much and enjoy.
Welcome back. I'm Kshitij Srivastava, SAP Technical Consultant in IndX. In the last episode, we explored the assembly work center part, the interface operator used to produce the finished Cooper product. Today, we will shift gears and focus on machine integration using OPC UA and how we perform data collection. Why is data collection important? Machines on the shop floor generates a wealth of valuable data, torque, temperature, speed, and more. But if we don't collect this data, it remains hidden and unused. That's where SAP Digital Manufacturing comes in. It's a cloud-based system that needs to connect with the physical machine. OPC UA is that bridge. It's a communication protocol that translates machine data into a readable format. Imagine this. You notice a lot of scrap during production, and after investigation you find the machine temperature rises after continuous use, affecting the product quality. Or frequent rework, products being disassembled and reassembled. Turns out if torqued during assembly within the right range, the product may fail quality check or even be returned by the customer. With proper data collection, we can catch these issues early, adjust machine settings, save time and resources. How do we collect this data? Machines have tags, addresses pointing to specific parameters. We need an OPC server to read these tags. To connect SAP DM with the machine, we use SAP Production Connector. It acts as an OPC client. This connector runs on premise while SAP DM is in the cloud. To securely connect them, we use SAP Cloud Connector. Once everything is connected, we create a digital twin of the machine in SAP DM. Let's look at the system. Okay, so here is the Node-RED server. This is our OPC server, and in which one of our machine has been connected, and the parameters we are interested of that machine. Now let's go to the manage asset connectivity. We see the two of the tags, temperature and torque, is connected with the machines. So our connection is established. Now let's move to the assembly pod. Here you are assembling the main components of finished product Cooper. So this is the work center and the resource Cooper machine 1, and this is the resource which is connected with our shop floor. So we'll go into the one of the SFC which is already started, and some of its components are already assembled, and we would like to assemble the last one or the remaining one and perform the data collection from the machine. So let's perform the assembly. So component has been assembled, and now we want to collect the data from the machine. So once we click on this button, it's a custom button which is reading the values from the machine and attaching it to the SFC. So the data collection is already performed. We can see the message, and if we go to the data collection, we see the parameters. Data has been collected. Now if we go to the SFC report, to track the quality of semi-finished or finished product, We maintain data collection right here under the SFC. Here is our SFC and we can see the data collections. That's the end of today's session. Thanks for watching and see you in future episode.